Hey fourth graders, I want to help you with finding perimeter. Now you're going to notice that you have this lesson for today. And the first question is right here. We have to find the perimeter of the playground. And I have a rectangle. Now luckily I can see that my rectangle is already labeled. I have 24 feet here, 8 feet here, 24 feet here. Now we notice that this is missing on this side. Now this is my width, right? If my width is missing, I could just look over here to the right. It's right here, 8 feet. That means over here is really 8 feet. So there's two ways I could do this. I can multiply or I can add. So first, I'm going to do the first by multiplying. So I have 24, and I have two sides with 24, here and here. So I can multiply 24 times 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so my top and my bottom, my length is 48. Now I'm going to go to my width. I have 8 here. That means I have an 8 over here. So I'm going to take 8 times 2. 8 times 2. I know this answer is 16. Okay, I'm not done. I now have to add 48 plus 16. 48 plus 16. Okay, 8 plus 6 is 14. I'll put my 4 down here. Regroup my 1 up here. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 1 more is 6. Okay, 64. So 64 feet is my perimeter, and I have to make sure I label it with the FT at the end. So this is my answer right here. Now I can also do it another way. The second way I can do this is adding up all my sides. I know that I have 24, 24, 8, and 8. So I'm just going to list them. 24, 24, 8, and 8. And I'm ready to add these all up. I know that 4 plus 4 is 8, right here. So now I have to add 8 plus 8 plus 8. I know that 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 8 more is 24. So I'm going to put my 4. So I put my 4 down here, and I carry my 2 up here. Now I'm ready to add. I have to add 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2, 4, 6. Leaving me with 64. So my perimeter is 64. So you have two ways to solve this. Make sure every time you are adding your perimeters up that you label them with the correct measurement. So in here we have feet. So 64 feet, and you just plug it into the yellow box. If you have any questions, come to Zoom class.